I don't think people realize how common MacBook problems are. From batteries to screens, it happens to everyone. But getting it fixed is easier than you think. These are the MacBook issues we fix every day: slow performance, cracked screens, overheating, or keyboard trouble. At XG Cell Phone Repair in Katy, our certified techs offer free diagnostics, same-day repairs, and warranty on all work. Trust your MacBook to local experts. Call, or just walk in. Don't let laptop problems hold you back. Visit XG today for fast, professional MacBook service.